One thing about learning how to do your own makeup is that it saves you a lot. I mean, a lot, apart from money. Good makeup adds to your self confidence. I am going to be talking about this as I show you and teach you how to do your makeup like a pro. I mean, it's not rocket science, just listen and watch closely. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sochi. You can call me T. I'm a lifestyle YouTuber. I'm a makeup artist based in Abuja, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing and teaching you guys how you can do your makeup like a pro, as a pro by yourself. You're going to be starting off by carving your brows first. If you don't know how to carve your brows, please don't experiment with it. You can just go to a professional to help you get it done. After carving your brows, you're going to be needing a hydrating spray. I sprayed this on the face first before anything, and I use my fan to dry it. I make sure that I dry the face properly, because the secret to skincare is, you know, allowing each product you apply on the face to sit in before you move to the next one. Now I'm applying my moisturizer. This is snail mucin, but you can also use any other moisturizer of your choice. And while applying this, make sure the first one you've applied have dried properly. I had to skip it a bit because I didn't want this video to be too long. So after applying each product, please use your fan to dry it. This is very, very important in your skin prep, because good skin prep determines how the makeup will come out. And while you apply, please extend it to your neck. Moisturizing your face cannot be overemphasized. It is a very important step in skin prep. Now allow your face to dry properly before you move on to the next step. Here I am applying the face primer. This is F primer, but you can use any other primer of your choice. You can see her face coming alive from looking ashy from the beginning to looking glowy. You can see her skin popping already. This is the importance of good and proper skin prep. So these are the two combination of foundations that I used. I like mixing sometimes because it gives me, sort of what I want. And this in this foundation shade, you will notice that her face is darker than her body. You will notice that the foundation is a bit lighter than her color, her face, and this is because her face is darker than her body, as you can see. So I matched the foundation to her neck and her body. um this would help me to brighten her face to match her body. If you're looking at it now, you'll be seeing that is evening out with her body and her neck. And you know this is one of the tricks that we use to match. So you just match depending on the body, don't match depending on the face, though I think it also depends on the kind of outfit the person wants to wear. But for the most part, I like matching with the body color. So after applying my foundation, I immediately sprayed the face, then applied concealer. I lost some of the clips of blending, how I blended the concealer, but don't worry, in my next video I am going to be showing you guys how to properly do your highlighting and concealing. So here I am applying the eyeshadow. I already applied the eyeshadow primer, and because this is a call to bash shoot, she requested a very nude makeup. Not nude per se, but like she wanted a neutral eye, something that is not too shouty. So after applying my foundation, my concealer, and setting the face, I went ahead to do her eyeshadow. I am so sad because I lost the clip of where I detailed the concealer and the setting part. But in my next video, I am going to be showing you guys how to properly conceal and highlight your face and set your face very well. So here I am blending the eyeshadow. Like I said, I am going for a good and neutral eye. I am using the darker shade of my powder palette to, even out and blend the inner and outer corners of my eyeshadow, because one thing with eyeshadow is that blending with is key. In fact, one thing with makeup generally is you have to blend. Blend like your life depends on it, because that is what makes you a pro. You have to blend so that you won't see the demarcation, you won't see where the beginning of one color and the ending, blending makes it seamless, blending makes it sweet, blending makes it even. So I am blending with a soft shade of my powder, and while I also apply the darker part of my powder, blending is just sweet. One thing you have to learn in your makeup is how to blend. If you can blend like a pro, then you're very good to go. So this is me blending in and also applying more darker shade, and here I am done. You can see how well blended my eyeshadow is. You don't even know where it started and where it ends. This is what makes it clean. So right now I'm applying my eyeliner. I'm using my gel eyeliner. You can use your liquid eyeliner, but you just have to be very careful so you don't make a mess. So I'm going for, a natural lining. I don't want it to be too bold or too serious. Like I said, this is a call to bad look, and here I am lining the inner part of the eye. One thing with lining your inner part of the eye is that it helps your eye to look alive. It wakes you up. Without lining your eye, you look sleepy, you look tired. But when you line the inner part of your eye, you wake up. What happened to me here? My client was tearing. She was tearing bad. That you can see the drop of tear on the down part of her eye. But I didn't panic, sha. I succeeded in, correcting it. Don't worry, in my next video, I'm going to maybe give you guys one or two tips on how to manage a teary eye. So here I am applying my eye pencil. Just look at how I'm slowly building this pencil. I'm just giving it a very soft stroke. You don't have to draw your brows as if you're fighting with it. You just come and carry one black paint bar and knock. No, you go in softly, you go in gently. You start from the inner corner and extend it out. And here I am using a concealer shade that is 2 shades lighter than her to conceal just the outer part of her eye. When you do this method and you do it very well, trust me, your makeup is going to come out very beautiful and seamless. But if you're not a pro yet, you can start with your brows first, and your eyeshadow, just the old method. But this method is also very good and easy for me. I enjoy this method a lot. Maybe in my next video, I'm still going to be showing you guys how to do your brow. In fact, just drop in your video requests. If you have any part of makeup process that you need to learn extensively, just drop it. I'm going to be teaching you. So here I am blending the outer part of the concealer that I applied, and I'm blending it in together with the eyeshadow. Like I said, blending is key. Don't just draw a line and leave it. You have to blend with clean brushes. You get, because this is what makes it seamless. If you have watched to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful makeup. Let me get your video requests. Let me get your questions. I am here to answer them. And I want to give a very big shout out to my amazing 2K subscribers. Guys, I love and I appreciate you guys. And I don't take it for granted. Thank you for building this family with me. Thank you for being a part of my YouTube growth. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. Mwah. Now, one of the benefits of knowing how to do your makeup by yourself is that it gives you this boost, this self-confidence that you don't have to be booking a makeup artist every time you have a little event to attend. You can easily just wake up, do your makeup by yourself and go out. I know there's some going out that are unplanned, so you can easily just do your makeup, look good, look confident in yourself, and be a baby girl that you are. So here I am using a powder shade that is a shade lighter than her to dust off the under eye setting powder. I am using this to blend out the setting powder that I used, to catch the fallout from her eyeshadow. I used Beautyland by Didi eyebrow tamer to, brush out her brows, to keep her brows in check and to make it stand strand by strand. And because I didn't want this video to be too long, I did the final touches off camera. Write this look for me in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.